Dr. Martin here with a little video on how to use Google Hangouts. Interestingly enough, I'm making this video using Google Hangouts. Never tried to make a how-to video on Google Hangouts while using Google Hangouts, so we'll see if this is going to work. Some of the things that you'll need to make sure you have done before you try to use Google Hangouts is first install Google Chrome. It should definitely be your go-to browser anyway. Make sure you have a Google account. You can go to Gmail and create an account, or go to the Google page and create an account. I have another video on that. If you're interested, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll see it there in my list. There's also another one about installing the Chrome browser. So make sure you have Chrome installed, you have your account, and you're signed in. And from there, we'll talk about how to get the one-click launcher for Google Hangouts, and then how to use Google Hangouts. All right, so basically Google Hangouts is a way for you to have live streaming videos or conferences. You can give the information of your Hangout. You could schedule it, have your students come and join in, have a video chat, have a discussion, ask them questions, give them the screen, and share your screen with them. Basically, you can use it for video conferencing. Now, there are two types of Google Hangouts. There's Google Hangouts, which is just a video conferencing tool, private meeting, or there's Google Hangouts on Air, which is a meeting that's also streaming live. So you can stream the video to people who are not logging in to participate, but people who just want to view it. Another benefit of Google Hangouts on Air is that it automatically uploads your video, your meeting, to YouTube after you're done. And then you can go back into YouTube. Since you have an account already, then you automatically have an account on YouTube, and you have a video channel. And you can find your video and edit it using the YouTube video editor, which is now called Creator Studio. Google Hangouts has gone through some changes recently. Google Hangouts on Air, I think they have another name for it. It's like YouTube Live or something like that. But for me, the easiest way to start this live streaming video service is with this one-click Hangout extension that I'll show you how to use. There's other ways to start a Hangout, but for me, this is the easiest way. So that's what we'll do first. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you here. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to open up a new tab. Here I am in Google. You'll see that I'm signed in, that I am in Google Chrome. Make sure that you're not trying to do this on another browser. It will not work. Make sure you're signed in, or you'll have to sign in later. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to type in here, one-click Google Hangout extension. See if I even spelled, no, I knew it. I didn't spell it right, but luckily Google search engine is smart enough to know what I'm talking about. Okay, so one-click Google Hangout extension, but you could spell it correctly if you would like. Either way, you're going to see a result here that says one-click Google Hangout Chrome Web Store. Okay, this is what you want. Okay, one-click Hangout. So I'm going to click on this first link, and it's going to bring me to an extension. Right now, this extension is for Google Hangout, right? Not Google Hangout on Air. So now let me go back here. I should have said Google Hangout on Air, and I have to edit that part out, right? Search. Here we go. Here it is. One-click Google Hangout on Air. All right, so we're going to click that. Big difference there, right? Okay, so here we have one-click Google Hangout on Air. This is an extension. And once I add it to Chrome, there's going to be a little button that hangs out, which you can see as I already have right up here. One of my favorite extensions. There's quite a few other ones that are nice, but anyway, you just click on Add to Chrome and accept the permissions and whatnot, and then you will have that added on right up here. Okay, so we're going to assume now that you have the Chrome extension. Okay, now this is the part I'm not sure if it's going to work, right? Because I am already in Google Hangouts on Air. So let's see what happens. I'm going to, and anytime I want to start a Hangout on Air, I just click that button. Hey, it's working. Oh, it says you're already on another video call, but that's okay. I'm just going to, here I am. Anyway, so once you're on this app, then you'll another window will pop up and it'll say, what do you want to name your Google Hangout on Air? And you give it a name. Then you click Start Broadcast. It doesn't start recording immediately. It will kind of go through a little processing time, and then it will come up with a button that says, okay, are you really ready to start? You click Start. A couple of seconds later, then it will actually start. Okay, so let's go. Let's just close here. Take me to my other call. I'm screen sharing, so I got to click Stop Screen Sharing. Okay, there we go. Well, we're back. So one of the things that I did not get to show you really was some of the tools. So I'm going to use my little snipping tool here and take a little picture. So here I am. Here is the little tool icon that I show on the left-hand side of my screen. Okay, this one is for chatting. This is for screen share. This other one is showcase. I really haven't used those. This is for, just like questions and answer. Never use that. There's some different settings for your camera. There's a control room. There's even some funny little apps that allow you to like put things on people's faces while you're talking, which is fun. But the one that you're going to use here is the share your screen, and then you can switch back and forth between screens. And what I do is, I have the Google Hangout on Air open in a separate tab, and then if I want to share my screen, I'll click the share the screen button, and then I can click on another tab if I want to share that tab or open an application that I want to share. And when you share, you have the option to either share your full screen or share just an application and not everything, which if your desktop is really messy or you have things on there you might not want to share, then just share the application. Now when you're done with the Google Hangout on Air, then you can, at the bottom of your screen, you just click on the Stop a Broadcast button, which is, I'll show you here, and that will stop the broadcast, right? Tells you you're live. These are little indications of that your mic is working. And you just click that Stop Broadcast button, and then just wait, and it will upload automatically to YouTube. Sometimes it takes a little bit, depending on how long it is, the quality of your camera and whatnot. And then you can go back in later and edit it. And maybe one of these days I'll create a little video on how to edit a video with YouTube Creator Studio. But anyway, if you have a question on how to use Hangouts on Air or whatever it's called now, YouTube live stream, just give me a call or send me an email, and I'll be happy to help you out. So Dr. Tom again with a great little video. Hope you